Hello everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm doing an easy lemon lime jello salad recipe. I'm also doing chicken enchilada casserole later today, and so I want to get this in the refrigerator and let it congeal so we can eat it with our meal tonight. And so here are the ingredients: lemon jello, lime jello, unflavored gelatin, Eagle brand milk, a cup of pineapple, 2 cups of cottage cheese, and a cup of mayonnaise. And so I'm going to mix my jello in a spray pan. Okay, so, and then I'm going to put also my gelatin mixture. And I'm going to put 2 cups of hot water in it. And stir this up good. I've never made this before, but I've seen it and I thought that I would try it out today. And it's really gloomy today here in Georgia. It's cold, it's in the 40s, and it's raining. Okay. Okay, I think that's good. So now I'm going to be putting in my Eagle brand milk. Okay. And this is 1 cup of pineapple, crushed up pineapple. Okay, now I'm going to be putting in my cottage cheese. This is 2 cups. And we'll have the recipe in the description below. Okay. And this is a cup of mayonnaise. I'm going to mix this together a little bit. Whoops. When I was watching this recipe, they made it in one pan like this right here, but if you wanted to, you could also do it in a bowl before you added it to this and avoid stuff like that. I think that would have been better. Me and my husband discussed that before we made it, and we said, well, the recipe did it this way, so we would try it, but I think it would have been better to do it in a bowl. Whoops. that's all there is to it. So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it congeal, and I'll bring you back later. My lemon lime Jello salad has congealed now, so I'm going to be sprinkling some lime zest over it. Boy, that lime really smells good, that zest. Okay. And now I'm going to be putting some lemon zest over it. Okay. Now then, I'm going to try to get out a piece. Okay, I'm going to do my taste test now. That's really good. I'd have another bite. Okay. That is really good. I love the lime taste in it. I always love limes anyway, and so I really like the way that tastes. And the lime zest on it is even more lime on it. So it really tastes good. So I'm going to be serving this tonight with my chicken enchilada casserole. And so I know Mr. Calvin's going to like this too. So y'all do what you love and love what you do, and bye.